everybody. My name is Devkota with the Devkota Law Firm, here to answer questions that I've been posed. And again, like I've said in the other segments, I pick questions that I hear all the time or questions I've received recently that are interesting. And one that I think that everybody knows but they don't know is, do I get money for pain and suffering if I've been in an injury accident? If someone has harmed me, do I get more than my lost wages? Do I get more than my car repaired? Do I get more than my medical bills paid from the accident? And the answer is yes. And in fact, pain and suffering in the American justice system really does provide sometimes the greatest compensation. Now, this is the greatest country in the world because we respect one's pain and suffering. In other jurisdictions, pain and suffering doesn't mean anything. We're going to get your car fixed, and we're going to pay your medical bills, and bye-bye, you're on your way. But you've been laid up. You've had lost enjoyment of life. You have missed a wedding. You have missed playing ball. You have been taking medication and laid on your back for weeks in horrific pain. That deserves compensation. If someone has injured you due to their negligence has caused you pain. Pain and suffering is 100% compensable in the United States, and I specialize in and focus on pain and suffering. That is something that I love to work on because that is something that people experience. And when you try to receive compensation for someone and you hand them money for their vehicle and you have their bills paid and they walk out of a case with nothing except for their auto shop bill paid and their medical bills paid, and they have nothing for themselves for the experience that they went through, the horrific experience, well, that's not a job well done. If you've been in a car accident and you are suffering pain and you are in misery because of your injuries, call me. I will make sure that we get you compensation for that. So the answer to that question is yes. If you have been in a car accident or any other type of accident whatsoever due to someone else's negligence, you are due cash money for your pain and suffering. Call me, Devkota. Thank you very much.
For over 21 years, the Devkota Law Firm has represented the vulnerable communities in the Kansas metro area with personal injury, motor vehicle accidents, workers' compensation, medical negligence, and representation in court.